Ooh.
Well, not on the grass. Once you get it gets on the grass, you never at a different time.
Yeah. Show mommy.
Dean, can I see?
Okay.
Are you so happy with your lizard?
Sort of. With legs. Pet it.
Gently.
Lizard. No, don't close your hand. Keep your hand open. Nope, don't pull.
Oh, his tail's gonna fall off. Come on, go on the grass.
Yeah, nope, stay over here. Or else we're gonna lose it.